My name is Andrea and I own McCown Contracting. So often do I get the question, hey Andrea, now that I have my SPCC plans, what do I do with them? Do I keep them at the tank battery? Do I keep them in my truck? Do I keep them at the nearest field office? Yes! According to 40 CFR 112, operators need to keep their SPCC plans at the nearest field office. So you might have an office in Tulsa and operate facilities all over the state of Oklahoma. So you would keep those SPCC plans in your Tulsa office since that's your nearest field office. There is an exception though. If your facility is manned more than 4 hours a day, which is going to be your larger commercial saltwater disposals or a gas plant, then you must keep your SPCC plan right there on site. Thanks, guys.